morning, everybody. Welcome to another video. This is going to be the next gen ecom mini episode number 2. And in today's video, I want to talk about one quick thing that I believe has helped me get a lot further than where I would have gotten previously. So for some of you guys that know, I went off social media for like 100 days. And the reason is because I realized that I was relying too much on motivation to get things done. And now the one thing you can't focus on, or at least rely on, is motivation, because when you're doing things every single day in any business, there's gonna be some aspects of it that are boring, that you don't wanna do, that you could just, outsource to somebody else. But what you have to rely on is discipline. You have to discipline yourself to do things that you don't wanna do, whether you want to or not, because some things just have to get done. Taxes are coming up. I have to pay my taxes soon. I don't wanna pay taxes. I don't have to get all that together, but it has to get done, so I'm gonna make it happen. I meet with my accountant, and it's gonna be done. So do the things that you have to do, whether you want to or not. It's gonna get you a lot further in life. Even the simplest things like going to work out. A lot of people don't wanna work out because whatever, but most of the time you go into the gym, even if you don't want to begin with, and you start working out, you're gonna start feeling good, you're gonna feel good about yourself working out, you're gonna start sweating, and you're just gonna keep working out and working out. And that's what you have to do. You have to build these disciplinary habits over and over, and eventually everything's just gonna become, I wouldn't say easy, but everything just sort of becomes a part of your routine. Eating good, doing these things over and over every single day will eventually lead to a large form of success. I guarantee you, because little achievements every single day eventually add up over time, and that's what your end goal is. So discipline over motivation all the time. There's tons of things that I don't want to do, but have to get done, so I force myself to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. I'll see you tomorrow morning for the next one. Have a good one. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.